All right, time to clear up one of the biggest myths in nutrition. How much protein can your body actually absorb in a single meal? You've probably heard people say, you can only absorb 20 or 30 grams of protein at once. But let's get this straight. Your body is way more sophisticated than that. The truth is, your digestive system doesn't just shut down after you hit some magic number. It'll actually absorb and use as much protein as you give it. But here's the catch. What your body does with that protein changes based on your needs. If you're eating more protein than your muscles need for repair and growth, your body gets creative. Some of it turns into energy, some gets stored, and yes, some helps build muscle if you're consistently training hard. But that limit people talk about? That's really just about maximizing muscle protein synthesis, not total absorption. Studies show muscle growth tops out at around 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal in most people. Eat more than that, and you're not wasting it. You're just not getting extra muscle from it. So, should you be worried about wasted protein? Not really. Focus on your total daily intake, not cramming all your protein into one meal or obsessing over the perfect amount per bite. Bottom line, your body's got you covered. Eat enough protein throughout the day, keep moving, and let the myths go. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more myth-busting nutrition facts. Let's dive deeper into what actually happens when you eat that 50-gram steak. Your stomach acid starts breaking down those protein chains immediately. Then your small intestine slowly absorbs those amino acids over several hours. These amino acids circulate in your blood, ready to be used wherever needed. Now, individual factors do matter. Athletes and highly active people can utilize more protein for muscle building. Older adults may need more protein per meal to trigger the same muscle response. Your training status, age, and overall health all influence how efficiently you use protein. The good news? You don't need to stress about perfect meal timing. Spreading protein throughout the day is ideal, but not absolutely critical. If you occasionally eat a large protein meal, your body will handle it just fine. Focus more on protein quality and your total daily target. And no, eating more protein won't damage your kidneys if they're healthy to begin with. Stop worrying about wasting expensive protein powder. Your digestive system is incredibly efficient. It absorbs nearly all the protein you eat. Your metabolism adapts to handle whatever you throw at it. Think about intermittent fasting. People eat all their daily protein in a few hours and do just fine. Many cultures eat large protein meals without any issues. Even bodybuilders who eat massive amounts of protein continue building muscle. Evolutionarily, humans survived by eating large, infrequent protein sources. Here's what actually matters for your protein intake. Aim for 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Distribute it however fits your lifestyle and preferences. If you're very active or building muscle, bump it up to 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. Don't let supplement marketing scare you into buying more products. Whole foods work just as well as supplements for most people. Eat intuitively, stay active, and trust your body's wisdom. Let science guide you, not fitness myths. What's your biggest protein question? Drop it in the comments below. Share this with someone who's been stressing about protein timing. We're busting more nutrition myths every week. All our content is backed by peer-reviewed research. Remember, nutrition should enhance your life, not control it. Progress beats perfection every single time. Build sustainable habits that you can maintain for years, not days. You now know more about protein than most people at the gym. If this cleared up the confusion, smash that like button. Subscribe and ring the bell for more evidence-based nutrition content. Next week, we're tackling the meal frequency myth. Join thousands of others who choose science over supplements marketing. Eat your protein, train hard, and stop overthinking it. Your body's got this handled. I'm your myth-busting nutrition guide. Check out these related videos to become a nutrition myth-busting expert.